Welcome to the Legends Educational Consult. Today we shall be looking at how to create a simple student assessment sheet using Excel, and we are going to be using purely formulas. We are not going to be using any macros in these tutorials. So as you can see, our workbook is book 1. So we first have to name our workbook. So Control plus S. So we name it tutorial. Okay, so we save it. So we have our workbook named tutorial. So next we are going to start. We are going to get to action. So I'm going to leave the first row. So we move to the second row and type in. So the first sheet we will be creating, we are going to name the sheet class info. So we name the sheet. So you come to the sheet tab, the first sheet, you right click on it, rename, and then class info. Done. So we are going to just get to work. So within the second row, I'm going to type the name of the school. Say Ban Memorial Community School. Next time I'm going to just type in pupils assessment records. Pupils assessment records. You might want to jump the next one and move. So we are going to start serial number. Next column, we are going to name it name of pupil. Next column, you can jump next column. I'll tell you why. We have attendance, attitude, conduct, interest. I think this is okay for now. So with the attitude, conduct, and interest, usually we write a lot. So what we're going to do is we are going to place our mouse pointer at the column heading of attitude. We click and we drag to select up to interest. We are going to enlarge the column width, and we're going to do that together. That's why we've selected all three together. So right want to drag, and this is okay. So you can see all three have been enlarged together. Then having done that, we have to come and then format here. So we merge center. Do the same thing to people's assessment records. Merge and center. So the next thing is this. Let's increase the font size. Let's change the font size from Calibri to Arial Black. Let's change the font color to, yeah, this is okay. I think it's okay. I wish I changed this, so let's change this to a different font to give it, this is okay. Yes, it's okay. Now name of people here, the column is too small, so let's open the column up. Good. Now we left this space here. We are going to reduce the space to give space between the name of people and the attendance. See, the attendance is not showing in full, so we can do this. Yeah, we can do this. Next, we are going to format. So let's do this. Okay, so I'll be using limited number of students, so bear with me. So come to format cells, right click and go to format cells, then border. So when you open border, this is what you should see. So we're going to choose our border style. Yeah, we're choosing this outline and inside the color be red. I think it's fine. Let's do this. Orange is the color. I want the red color, so let's go back and do that. So we select the range, format cells, red, before we come to the outline and the inside. So we have it like this. We have it like this. Not looking so good, so here we right click, sorry, we left click, and then we come to right click and then hide. We hide that. Let's come to C, the whole of C, right click, format cells. You might want to undo this. So there's nothing for C. But you can do the outline, go in here, go in here. Yeah. So we left C empty like that. Now looking a little better. So let's do this. Just reposition them to the middle, bolden it, change the color. If possible, change the font to Arial. Yeah, this is better. So we are going to start with auto numbering. We are going to auto number. So we first type in our first number 1, give it a step. The step is the difference between the first number and the subsequent number. So here the next number is going to be 2, which means there's only one step. We can be typing, assuming you have about 50, 100 or 1,000 students, you can be typing all. So after typing the first 2, we select, so we place the mouse pointer at the bottom right and we drag down. So I'll be using only 10 students for this tutorial. So we do this. Remember, numbers take the data type of value, so they are right aligned. So in here, you are now going to have the list of your students typed here individually. And this is what we have for the class info sheet. So your class info should look like this. If you follow the tutorial to the end, I believe you have something similar to this. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us for more tutorials. Thank you.